Python for Data Science and Data Analysis Masterclass 2020. Description: Learn Python for data science, machine learning, deep learning and data analysis. Hands-on NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. Requirements: no prior knowledge or experience needed, only a passion to learn. Marketing automation and email marketing for beginners. Description: Marketing automation and email marketing concepts, tools and more for success in your marketing automation campaigns. Requirements: no previous knowledge required, but if you have it, no worries. You will still learn a lot in this course. A good pair of headphones, a PC, mobile or tablet. The desire to learn about marketing automation and email marketing. English grammar, tenses and structures. The ultimate course. Description: all you need to be perfect in English grammar and structures. Be an expert in the English grammar rules. Requirements: just knowing the basics of the English language. The 60-minute masterclass on facilitating virtual meetings. Description: learn to make virtual meetings engaging and productive. A complete toolkit from planning until post-meeting communication. Requirements: willingness to explore and experiment with virtual meetings. No special skills or knowledge required. Public speaking. Start strong and engage any audience. Description: learn the tools that will have you wow any audience. Requirements: no. Most essential and popular Excel formulas and functions. Description: Excel master, filter and OR lookup, if conditions, Microsoft Excel formulas and functions, Excel basic formulas and functions. Requirements: a computer or laptop. No prior Excel knowledge is needed. Microsoft Excel 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019 or Office 365. Some features may not be available in earlier versions. Apache Cordova. Build hybrid mobile apps with HTML, CSS and JS. Description: learn Apache Cordova to build hybrid mobile apps for Android, iOS, Progressive Web App, PWA, using Ionic 5, Angular 9. Requirements: to complete this workshop, all you need is a code editor, a modern browser and a connection to the internet. A working knowledge of HTML and JavaScript is assumed, but you don't need to be a JavaScript guru. Relevant costs, managerial accounting decisions and scenarios. Description: common managerial accounting decisions analyzed using relevant cost methods that can apply to all large decisions. Requirements: understanding of basic accounting terms. Audit, financial statement. Description: learn the audit process from planning to audit report, form a certified public accountant, CPA. Requirements: learners should have a basic understanding of accounting concepts and the double-entry accounting system. Managerial accounting, cost accounting. Description: managerial and cost accounting comprehensive course taught by a practicing certified public accountant, CPA. Requirements: none.